Are you in the cryptocurrency space and constantly are writing and thinking about crypto, and you post your thoughts on forums or on Twitter, but don't think much else of it? Well, did you know that there is a way that you could get paid for your thoughts? And all of this is due to a recent update to the terms of service on Reddit. Let's dive in. Just last week, Reddit updated its terms of service to include being able to sell community points on a secondary market. The actual verbiage reads, you may be able to earn, claim, purchase, sell, or give certain virtual avatars, goods, currencies, or items that can be cryptographically verified. This is huge news for the cryptocurrency subreddit because of their project called Moons. What are Moons? Moons are an ERC20 token that was launched on the Arbitrum network in May of 2020. These tokens are basically a status symbol to those that participate in the cryptocurrency subreddit. If you write a good post, you get upvoted by people in the community. Those upvotes turn into moons at the end of each month. The moderators have created a system on the cryptocurrency subreddit that each month they tally up the amount of upvotes that people have received on the subreddit and divide it by the number of moons that are available each month to be doled out. The reason that this update to the terms of service is so important is because previously it was against the terms of service to sell these tokens on the open market. But because it's now being allowed by the Reddit gods, we can now sell these tokens. And so people are taking massive advantage of this opportunity and going on to the cryptocurrency subreddit to post meaningful articles and comments, because comments can also receive upvotes, which in turn earns moons. The thing that's so amazing about this is the speculation that is going on around it. Recently, Kraken hinted at listing these tokens on their exchange, and the price skyrocketed by 89.7% over the past 7 days. What's so fascinating about this, though, is the fact that these tokens don't really provide any utility at all. They're merely just a status symbol, and that is it. People think that whenever they see somebody on the cryptocurrency subreddit with a lot of moons, it means that they're either an OG, they've been there for a while, or they know what they're talking about and have posted a lot of great articles. There's definitely always an outlier to every rule, but for the most part, that's what people believe whenever they see somebody with a ton of moons on their account. What's really fascinating about all of this as well is the fact that this is bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3, because Reddit, as you all know probably, is a social media platform that's been around for ages. But with this adaptation of creating an ERC20 token that's used as the community points and dished out to people that utilize this subreddit, it creates that aspect of Web3 that people have been dying for. I've been saying for years that I would like to see a social media platform integrate with Web3, and this is by far the best example that we've seen so far. We've previously seen projects like Santiment, now called Hive, that have tried to break into the social media space itself, but we've never seen a project that has its own platform try and break into crypto. So this is a huge win for everybody on the cryptocurrency subreddit, but also for the entire Web3 industry as a whole. If you're somebody that has never used Reddit before, but you're into Web3 or crypto or NFTs, then I highly encourage you to go and create an account on Reddit and start following the cryptocurrency subreddit. It's definitely a place where you can get a lot of great information. News articles are pretty much always up to date. Sometimes you even get breaking news on there. So definitely go and check that out if you haven't already. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, let me first off state thank you for tuning in. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. My channel is all about crypto, blockchain technology, decentralization, security, anonymity, and freedom. So if those are things that you're interested in as well, Please do me a solid and hit that subscribe button because it really helps my channel grow. And if you enjoyed this video, please do me the solid as well and hit that like button. It really helps me out. That's going to be it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Crypto Clay out.